Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Panda 3200 revolutions per minute portable spin dryer. A must-have for anyone looking to enhance their laundry routine with efficiency and convenience. This sleek, dark gray appliance boasts an upgraded stainless steel drum, ensuring exceptional durability and long-lasting performance, making it perfect for household use. Its compact design is ideal for small spaces like apartments, dorms, RVs, and boats, and it pairs seamlessly with various Panda portable washing machines for a complete laundry solution. The Panda Spin Dryer is a space saver that dramatically speeds up drying time, leaving clothes almost dry and slightly damp, which is perfect for those who hand wash their garments. With its user-friendly gravity draining system, you can place it anywhere without needing a dedicated sink or drain. Just position a small bucket under the outlet to catch the water. This portable spin dryer not only brings efficiency to your washing routine but also ensures safety and economy, making it a smart choice for modern living. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights and reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.